The first court proceeding is in the books for country music star Morgan Wallen after he was arrested on felony charges in Nashville. Peyton Kennedy was in the courtroom today. It brings us the update now from downtown Nashville.
And Morgan Wallen is in the midst of playing 3 nights at Nissan Stadium. He was not required to show up in court today, and he did waive his right to do so. So his attorney appeared on his behalf. And after briefly having a discussion with the district attorney's office, they did set his court date for August 15th. I'm told Morgan Wallen will be present for that date. It will be a hearing with evidence and witnesses. The case may be settled on that date or span multiple days. Wallen shared a statement on social media about 2 weeks after his arrest, saying, quote, "I've touched base with Nashville law enforcement, my family, and the good people at Chiefs. I'm not proud of my behavior, and I accept responsibility." I asked attorney Warwick Robinson if Morgan Wallen feels any guilt for the danger that he put officers in and about his discussions with the MNPD. Here's his response.
Everybody saw Morgan's statement that before he wanted to say anything publicly, that he wanted to check in with several people, including the Metro Police Department, also with the people at Chiefs, and so he has done what I think we would expect any good person to do when there's something such as this happens.
And despite all of this, attorney Warwick Robinson says these are the best days of Morgan Wallen's life because his house is full of family and friends in town for his shows at Nissan Stadium. Live in Nashville, Peyton Kennedy, News 2.
Mayor Freddie O'Connell says the incident involving Morgan Wallen has led to a deeper conversation about possible safety changes on downtown rooftops. The mayor says that conversation includes barriers and allowing permanent objects on rooftops.
That policy of temporary only objects, I think to that question of do you need barriers or would you have limitations on the kinds of things that could be up there? But we knew even from previous incidents that things as small as bottles create some challenges. We also know that rooftop environments are very popular both for patrons and establishments. So we're going to have to see what comes out of this that could be easily implemented.
The mayor's office, Metro Police, and the Office of Nightlife will work together to come up with suggestions for any changes. We will follow the Morgan Wallen case as it moves through court. You can see our previous reporting from his arrest at WKRN.com.